So many people in the last few years have said to me, Jill, why are you reading all these science books? I mean, literally, I am immersed in neuroscience and psychology and cognitive thinking. And it's very different from much of my life when I have been immersed in sales books and finding out what the experts are saying. But I think we've reached a point where the environment that we're living in is causing us to really struggle and to struggle from being our best persons. And at our core, and I know this sounds weird to say, but we are human beings and we are subject to all the trials and tribulations of normal human people, even though we're salespeople. And so what I think really matters is really understanding how our brain works and how we work as humans. I mean, to me, it's been really fascinating to realize how much my amygdala, that primitive part of my brain, has been controlling my behavior for the last few years. I literally had no idea that its job was to search the environment and to look for different things that are out there to protect me. But you know, here we are in a digital world where marketers spend their whole life trying to attract me into their world. And so I was finding myself pulled there. But knowing that this was the function of my amygdala and it's just a part of who I am, made me not feel guilty about what I was doing. It made me realize that I was being drawn in because it's how my body actually works. And it's taught me what I have to do to protect myself. The second thing that I thought was fascinating in studying this science is that we are habit-forming creatures. We have a basal ganglia. Its job in our body is to look for repetitive patterns. And as soon as it sees us doing something over and over, it systematizes it and it creates a neural pathway that allows us to keep doing something faster and better and better. And it's good for the brain, but here's where it's not good. It's not good if our habits are not conducive to our success. And what I discovered is that I was a bundle of habits that I hadn't even cognitively or thought of. I was doing things just the way I always done them, and it wasn't helping me. So understanding that this is how things work and understanding how to even create new habits. It was fascinating to me to discover how to work with habits and create new ones and better ones to replace the ones that I didn't even know that were affecting me. All this relates to the final thing, which is really getting our prefrontal cortex, which is the smartest part of our brain, the part we really need to be good in sales. Working with those two helped me free up my smart part of my brain to do my job better. So this is why I've been immersed in science, because I want to personally perform at a peak level, and I want to share with other people what it takes to be at their optimum all day long.